In this lecture, I'm going to show you the inventory cost calculated under average cost method. Let's assume fresh water is very expensive in the 2050, and this business is about purchasing and selling fresh water. Suppose this is our inventory water tank. Our beginning inventory is 1 liter. That cost is $10. We made our first purchase 2 liters and each cost $11. So the total cost would be $22. We made our second purchase 2 liters, $12 each liter. That's going to cost us $24. So what is the average cost of the waters in the inventory? So in the inventory, we have in total 5 liters. And the total cost is $56. So 56 divided by 5, so that average cost is $11.20 per liter. Suppose the business sold 3 liters of water. What is the cost of goods sold? So the cost of goods sold equals the average cost times the quantity sold. So the average cost is $11.20. We sold 3 liters. So together, that's $33.60. So the ending inventory would be the difference. So the original cost is $56 and you sold $33.6, so the ending inventory would be $22.4. You can also calculate ending inventory in a different way. The average cost times the remaining quantity in the ending inventory, which is only 2 liters. 2 times 11.4, that's the 22.4, same value. Thank you for watching.